Today we are going to learn first chapter of chemistry, some basic concept of chemistry. We all know that Anna, Vastra and Nivara, those were the basic needs of the people in the past. What are they made up of? Yes, they are made up of different types of chemicals. We see many applications of chemistry in our everyday life. Water we drink, food we eat, clothes we wear, home we live, plants, our body and everything is present in universe is made by chemicals. Now we are going to see some basic concept of chemistry. Before that we must have to know that what is chemistry, why we learn chemistry and what we learn in chemistry. Let's see. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of composition, structure and properties of matter and the reaction by which one form of matter may be converted into another form. The basic knowledge of chemistry is essential for development of subjects like physics, biology, geology, engineering, environmental science and many other subjects. Therefore, chemistry is called as the center of science. During 20th century, the knowledge about chemistry has increased so much that the subject chemistry is divided in several branches. There are some branches of chemistry are given here. Physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, analytical chemistry and biochemistry. In physical chemistry, we learn structure of matter, the energy changes and the theories, laws and principles that explain the transformation of matter from one form to another. In inorganic chemistry, we learn chemistry of elements other than carbon and of their compounds. In organic chemistry, we learn the reaction of compounds of carbon and hydrogen. In analytical chemistry, we learn separation, identification and quantitative determination of composition of different substances. And in biochemistry, we learn substances consisting of living organisms. There are more several branches of chemistry like pharmaceutical, environmental, nuclear, green chemistry, etc. Chemistry is an important subject and has a wide application and scope in different fields like engineering, drugs, food, energy, material. All engineering materials like iron, steel, stainless steel, aluminium, zinc, tin, copper, galvanized steel, alloys like brass, amalgams, precious metal like silver, gold, platinum are extracted, purified and synthesized and analyzed using process based on chemical technology. Drugs we take for relief from illness, pain are made by chemical process in pharmaceutical and chemical laboratories. Drugs like L-Dopa, cisplatin and Taxol, azidothymide are made by chemicals. Food is also made by chemicals. Plants make food by using chemical process called photosynthesis. Green coloring matter chlorophyll acts as a photosensitizer in this process. Historical approach to particulate nature of matter. During the years 16,000 to 19,000, many developments were made in field of chemistry. In the study of composition and classification of matter and changes that matter undergoes, the understanding of this development is essential for the study of chemistry. What is matter? Matter is everything which occupies space, like a book, pen, water, air, you, me, and everything which occupies space is called matter. A matter has a mass. A substance is a form of matter having a definite composition and a set of characteristic properties These properties distinguish one substance from another substance and give an unique identity to this substance. For example, sugar and common salt. Both are white, but their tastes are different. And in addition, their many characters are different from each other. Different substances differ from each other in their constituent composition and can be distinguished from each other by their appearance, taste, smell, interaction with other substances, and some more simple tests like behavior of heating, dissolution in water, reaction with acid and other reagents. A mixture is a simple composition of two or more substances in which the constituent substances retain their separate identities. For example, we can take sugar and water. When we dissolve sugar in water, it totally disappears and mix with water, and that time sugar retains its all original properties. Mixture, types of mixture, laws of chemical composition, atomic theories, concept of elements, atoms and molecule, atomic mass, molecular mass, Avogadro's law. These are some concepts we are going to learn in our next lecture.